ABB is a leading supplier of industrial robots, robot software, equipment and complete application solutions. In Australia, we have dedicated specialists on hand to provide service and support for all of our customers. Our customers face many challenges, such as increasing production demands and uptime requirements, pressure to reduce costs in a highly competitive market, repeatable production quality and accuracy, along with safe and reliable automation. A customer's choice of support and maintenance practices has a significant impact on their corporate goals. ABB Robotics Service understands the challenges of production demands and the need for constant reliability. We have addressed those challenges by providing service offerings such as 24/7 connected services, unlocking access to robot condition monitoring and diagnostics, backup management, remote access, robot fleet assessment and optimization, all of which are available at your fingertips via the My Robot web application. We also provide 24/7 technical phone support, providing access to the right expertise when you need it, online access to spare parts and the correct robot user training tailored to our customers' needs to reduce production downtime. All of these products can be combined in a flexible robot care agreement to ensure the customer's specific needs are met with a guaranteed response time, faster reaction time and immediate intelligent support. ABB Robotics Service strives for excellence in customer service so our customers can too.